Are you having electrical issues with your Whirlpool dryer? What if I told you that there was a secret document hidden inside your dryer that you can use to figure out your problems? I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you exactly where to find the tech sheet located for your Whirlpool dryer. This also applies to some other brands such as Maytag, Kenmore, Amana, and others. So let's go find that sheet. If you need to purchase replacement parts for your Whirlpool dryer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. A tech sheet is included with every Whirlpool dryer, but don't worry about having misplaced it with the other paperwork when you purchase your appliance. The diagram is actually located safely inside the control panel. The only tool you'll need for this is a 1/4-inch nut driver. Before working on any appliance, please remember to disconnect it from the power. If you need to move your dryer away from the wall, please disconnect the dryer vent hose on the rear of the machine. To remove the rear panel behind the console, unscrew the 3 1/4-inch hex head fasteners on the bottom of the panel. Notice the rear panel mounting orientation before removing. Remove the final 1/4-inch screw from the top of the back panel and carefully lift the panel from the dryer and set aside. From here you should be able to see the tech sheet folded and taped to the dryer's top panel. If your tech sheet is missing, locate a copy of the parts list for your model dryer. Then look for the tech sheet or wiring diagram in the parts list. Use the part number listed and your favorite search engine to see if you can locate the digital copy of the documents online. Once you're done with your tech sheet, fold it up, return it to the inside of the control panel, and secure it with a piece of tape. This is a great place to keep the tech sheet in the event that a repair technician or future owner needs to reference it. Did you know there's a lot of great useful information on this tech sheet? Not only is there a full wiring diagram for the entire appliance, but also at the bottom you'll see some popular components like things in the console and where to plug in the wires. So if you're ever unplugging something and you're not sure, give this sheet a reference. But my favorite part about the sheet is this chart on the top, and this is called a timer positioning chart, and in this video that you see pop up right here is a great resource to walk you through that. Essentially what this chart allows you to do is to test the timer on your dryer. So if you need some more information about that, give this video a click. But if not, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor, and until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.